Welcome to Autoserve and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at servicing, maintenance, repair and MOT. We'll look at what that means for you as part of your Guaranteed Maintenance package. Your Guaranteed Maintenance contract includes servicing, maintenance and repair, SMR. It also covers the cost of the vehicle's MOT. As part of the vehicle's scheduled service, the maintenance contract will cover items such as checking the engine oil, replacing or topping up if required, replacement brake pads and discs, replacement of worn external bulbs and wiper blades, fuel, oil, air and pollen filters, spark plugs, topping up AdBlue, checking and topping up fluids such as brake fluid, engine coolant and windscreen washer fluid, general servicing checks including testing the battery, checking the suspension system and tyres, and lastly, resetting the service light. Oil dilution and diesel particulate filters are not included as part of the maintenance contract. All manufacturers' scheduled servicing is included. When your vehicle's service light appears or when an MOT is due, all you need to do is to contact us to let us know and we will handle the booking. Either give us a call or you can book online via our website. We'll find the closest approved garage to either your work or home address, whichever you prefer. So, on the day of your vehicle's service or MOT, all you'll need to do is to take your vehicle to the garage and we will handle the rest. Our in-house vehicle technicians are on hand to assist with any vehicle issues which the garage may find. Remember, whether it's an accident, breakdown, or an urgent tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Goodbye for now.